In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the error has occurred when you're trying to start Roblox on your PC. First, what we want to do is we want to head over to our app data. You can do that by going here, type percentage app data percentage, open up. From in here, click on app data right here, go to local, press anywhere and press R for Roblox, then find the Roblox folder. What we want to do is we want to delete this one, just press delete here, then try and relaunch your Roblox. Now, if this still doesn't work, what you want to do is you want to find your Roblox, so search for Roblox, I have mine right here, right click on it, open file location, then when it's here, right click on it, properties, go to compatibility, and then check this, and check this. And once all these three are checked, press apply, press OK, and try and launch it again. Now, if this still does not work, what you can do is you can come down here, search for apps and features. In here, you want to search for Roblox, and then simply click on both and uninstall. Then go to Roblox and reinstall them and check if it works. Now, one of these three should hopefully fix your issue, and if it did, please consider leaving a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.